Okay, this is unboxing of a few trees from the keeper's nursery. These are fruit trees. So let's open and see what is inside this. Okay, these are the trees. Let me see. Iranian Medlar. And what is this? This one. Meeches prolific Quince. This was the other one, also Iranian Medlar. This is a Suffolk Red grape. This is red grape regent or black grape regent. This one is red cherry plum, the variety of the keeper's nursery. Merchant glory, sweet cherry. Suffolk red grape. And what is this? Phoenix grape. So let's open and see. I think the grapes are in a pot. Okay, these are the trees. Unpacking them. Let's see how are the roots. Oh, roots are really good in this one. Full of main roots and tiny roots. Really good. Happy with that. Let me turn it over and remove the grapes. They're in the pot.